Alright, what is up, guys? It is another sunny day here in Oregon. I hope you guys are having a great day. If not, I hope this video can cheer you up a bit and allow you guys to have some fun. First things first, I want to start off by saying thank you guys for all the support so far. We just hit 60 subscribers and we're now above 60 subscribers, and we're gaining a subscriber pretty much almost every day, sometimes more. So thank you guys so much, and yeah, let's keep on growing. The agenda for today, I'm going to be going to the mall first because I want to use a drone that I have, because I have not used that on a motovlog yet. And after that, I'm going to go to one of the lots around here and I'm going to continue to work on my wheelie progression, do some beginner wheelie drills. I saw one drill that seems to be pretty useful. Basically, you're just in first gear and you're popping the clutch, just trying to get the front wheel off the ground a bit. Since second gear, it's a little bit harder to do on this motorcycle. So that's the agenda for today. And of course, in between all of that, we're going to be having fun, messing around, doing the usual stuff on the KLX. Got a nice Porsche Cayman right there. The GT4 Porsche Cayman, one of those would be really sick. Here we are at the mall. We're gonna head over to that empty lot there so I can get some drone shots. But first things first, I want to do the usual and go to the parking garage here. Alright, a little pure sound for you guys in the parking garage there. Yeah, thank you for seeing me. More parking lot construction. I wonder if they're going to be adding more chargers for the Tesla. Alright, here we are to the lot. I'm going to take the drone up and get you guys some shots. Alright, here we go.
Hey, you know who I'm talking to. Why don't you come up over here, baby, come on through. I ain't got a big crib, but I can blow your mind. She let me taste a rainbow, now I'm colorblind. Hit it twice and hop in the car and dance like Kendall. Can't tie me down, I whistle when I'm ready like a kettle. No offense, but I'm married to this money. It ain't ever gonna cheat and it ain't ever acting scummy, nah. So tell me what you want from me. Once you make it, then they all start to come running. They taking credit for success, but they ain't with you while you working. Now they saying you're just lucky, hey. These bitches faking and fashion, these diamonds on me, they dancing. I'm trying to make it and bag it, she backed it up, so I grabbed it. I saw the Lambo and damn it, I knew I had it, just have it. Ain't got the money, but I'm gonna snag it. If there's checks, I'm cashing. And if you're wet, I'm smashing. Ooh, there ain't no else about it. If you bringing drinks,
And alright, let's bring her back down. Something real quick I wanted to try. I have the drone, and I'm sure some of you guys know Grommy Bear. He uses his drone occasionally in his motovlogs. I have some places around here that I want to take the drone to. I think you guys have seen it in a previous video, but there's sort of a man-made lake around here. And then, well, there's other lakes as well. And there's just some nice areas around here. So that ends today's drone segment. Let me know what you guys think, if I should continue to do some of these drone shots within the motovlog. We're gonna head to the Toys R Us lot and see if I can't do some beginner wheelie drills. Speed bumps, don't care. Looks like they're making some progress on the car dealership here at the mall. Kind of interesting to have it next to a restaurant, but I'm sure they'll do good business. Alright, so let's see if anyone's here at the Toys R Us lot today. Doesn't look like there's many. Looks like we got someone here sitting in their truck talking to their lady friend. Alright, and then here we are at the lot, just like that. Looks like we got 1 car, 2 car, someone sitting in their car here. Other than that, it looks like we're good. So, the drill I saw online, basically you're in first gear here, and you're just gonna give it a little gas. See, we getting the front wheel up now. That's confidence inspiring, considering that it's been a little bit of trouble. Uh-oh, we got a popo over there. Anyways, considering that in second gear the front wheel doesn't really want to come up, but in first gear you have the correct amount of torque, I guess, to be able to do it. So there we go. Now I'm just doing little wheelies here. I want to be careful. Well, I should be careful. Since I'm just learning, I want to create good habits here and make sure that I'm covering that rear brake. There we go, boys. Getting exciting now. I'm gonna do a once around here. Make sure that we're still good on the lookout. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty excited that I'm getting the wheelies here. I guess my mistake was probably trying to do them in second gear. KLX probably needs a little bit more power to do that, and I just wasn't that comfortable popping the clutch in second gear. I'm on a good training program, have you, right now. Just getting comfortable with that front wheel coming up. I'm creating good habits with covering the rear brake, and yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about it. Pretty excited, to be honest. So now that we're clear, let's go ahead and continue. Get a little trials action in here. Alright, we got to get one more good one in before we leave. There we go. Getting the front wheel up now. There we go. I'd say that's a good one to end on. Let's go ahead and skedaddle on out of here before we cause too much of a racket. Alright, super excited about doing wheelies in first gear there finally. I hope I sound excited too. Sometimes Alright, that was a little weird. I think the GoPro just turned off because I thought I registered one of the voice control commands. Hopefully we don't get hit with another bug here. We're at the same spot where that bug almost knocked me off my motorcycle. Is so dang big. There's that man-made lake over there. Yeah, thank you for seeing me. Yet again. I wonder if they're just not looking and they see me at the last second, or if they're seeing my high-vis helmet, or what's up. That's the second person that's done that today. I try to always look ahead as far as I can to see if cars are coming out of side streets like this or anything like that. Be ready to get on the brakes or an evasive maneuver or whatnot. So anyways, that was that man-made lake back there. I've gotten some drone shots of it before when I did my drone review, but it'd be nice to go back there again for a motovlog. Here we are at the roundabout. It's not a roundabout unless you go around it more than once. Well, I guess once. So that lady in that yellow Velociter was smoking a blunt. Could smell that for sure. Alright, we're gonna hit the speed bumps one more time before we call it a day. That is the last speed bump. Couldn't really hear what that guy was saying. Alright, that's going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more KLX content. Also, share this video showing that you can wheelie a KLX. Also, guys, thank you so much for the 60 subscribers. We're gonna keep on growing. And with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I stand 10 toes down, AK-47 with 100 rounds. Bullet cases hit the ground, got me running and gunning until the drum runs out.
Here we are after the outro. That's pretty interesting, Crown Vic. The comment, for those of you who are watching right now, let's go ahead and go with the KLX can wheelie. Like I said, I'm super excited that I was able to finally get the wheel up higher than a couple of inches. I'm excited to continue progressing with the wheelies. Hopefully I'll get more comfortable so I can do them in second gear, have a little bit more speed to them than just lot wheelies. Here we are with some more speed bumps. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you to those who are watching till this point. So now that's going to be the official end of the video. See you guys in the next one.